Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about Unit 2, Part 2, and it is talking about factors and multiples and factorization. Okay, let's see. If we have 2 times 3 equals 6, we know that 2 and 3 are factors of number 6, and 6 is multiple of 2 and multiple of 3. Okay, do you remember this word from grade 4? This is factors and this is multiple. Okay, factors of 12. If I want to calculate factors of 12, do you remember? Okay, we have teacher, do you remember? Or pairs. Let's remember the pairs. Okay, 12 equal 1 times 12. In factors, to calculate factors, we must start with 1. So we will start 1 times 12 number and 1 number itself and 1. Okay, 2 times 6. 2 times 6. Okay, we know that 2 times 6 equal 12. 3 times 4 equal 12. So the factors of 12 are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 12. Okay, multiples of 5 means skip counting by 5. So we will start from 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. So in factors, we will start with 1. In multiple, we will start from 0. So we know that 1 is common factor of all numbers, and 0 is common multiple of all numbers. Okay, let's remember. Okay, we know that 0 is common multiple for all numbers. 1 is common factor of all numbers. Okay, we know that any even number has 2 as one of its factors. So 2 is factor of all even numbers. Okay, 3 is factor of the number if the sum of its digits 3 or 6 or 9. If we revise table 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, the sum of digits of 12, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, after that 15. If we make sum, it will be 6. 18, 1 plus 8 equal 9, and so on. So the sum of all digits must be 3 or 6 or 9 to say that 3 is one of the factors of this number. 4 is factor of a number when we skip count by 4. Okay, when we skip count by 4, so 4 is a factor of this number. 5 is factor of any number has ones, 0 or 5. If the ones digit was 0 or 5, so 5 is one of its factors. Because table 5, let's revise 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So all the numbers start with 0 or 5. So 5 is factor of a number if the ones digit 0 or 5. Okay, 6 is a factor of number if 2 is factor of this number and 3 is factor of this number. Okay, when we can say 6 is factor of this number, when 2 is a factor of this number, يعني يكون even number and the sum of its digits 3 or 6 or 9. Okay, 10 is a factor of any number start with 0. 10 is a factor of any number has ones, 0. Okay, the prime number has 2 factors only. Any prime number has 2 factors only. Like what? Like 2. 2, 1 time 2. Only this factors. 1 and the number itself. 3 is a prime number. Why? Because 1 times 3 equals 3 only. This is the two factors only. Okay, 5 also. 5, 1 times 5. 7, 1 times 7 only. So any number has two factors only. This is a prime number. Okay. Any number else, we called it composite number. So the composite number is the number which has more than two factors. Okay. More than two factors. Okay. One is not prime and is not composite. Okay. Because one has only one factor and not composite because it has less than two factors. Okay. Is the only even prime number. All prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay. Strategies to find factors. Okay, we have three important strategies. First one, rainbow. If I want to calculate factors of number 12, rainbow, we will make arc like this. It will be 1 and 12. We know that 1 times 12. The other one, 2 times 6. 3 times 4. Okay, so the factors of 12 by rainbow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, 3 model, 3 chart, 3 chart. We will write 12 like this and make arrows like this. Okay, it will be 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Okay, factor pair like we solved it before. 12 equal 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Remember? We remember the prime numbers. Let's remember the prime numbers, which has only two factors, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. I prefer you can keep till 19. I need it. Okay, you need it to save it well or to keep it well from 2 to 19. Okay, prime factorization. We have something very important, how to factorize any number to its prime factors. Okay, we have very nice way. Okay, let's see. If I want to factorize 12 to its prime factors, how can we make it? Okay, we will write 12 as first. Then ask yourself about the which number can multiply by each other to get 12. We have 1 times 12. We can't use it. ماشي؟ مش هستخدم اللي فيها 1 time. We can use another one. We have 2 times 6. We have 3 times 4. Let's start with 2 times 6. Okay, right. نعمل 2 arrows زي دول. And write 2 times 6. Which one of this is prime number 2? So circle the prime number. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, the other number is not a prime. So we are going to factorize again. 6 equal what time what? 2 times 3. Both of them are prime numbers. So we are going to circle the prime numbers. Circle 2 and circle 3. Again, 12, we need to factorize it to the prime factor. Okay, so we are going to start with pairs. We have first pair 1 times 12. It's not suitable to start with this. Okay, so we are going to start with the next one or third one, layer 2 times 6. Let's start with 2 times 6. 2 is a prime number, but 6 is not a prime number. So we are going to circle the prime number. Then look at the other number, 6. Can you factorize again? Yes. Why? Because we have 2 times 3 equals 6. So we are going to factorize 6 again to 2 and 3. 2 and 3, both of them are prime numbers. So we are going to circle 2 and 3. So 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3. 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3, and this is the prime factors only. 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? Did you get it? 2 times 2 times 3. So if I asked you what is the number which has prime factors 2 and 2 and 3, you are going to multiply the factors. 2 times 2 times 3 will be 12. Okay? Let's see. How can we calculate greatest common factor and least common multiple? If I have two numbers like 8 and 6, and I want to calculate the GCF and LCF, let's see GCF first. Okay, GCF means factors. We know that. How can you find the factors? With the normal way, not with the prime factor. Okay, factors of 8, 1 times 8, 2 times 4. So the factors of 8, 1 and 2 and 4 and 8. Factors of 6, 1 times 6, 2 times 3. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 6. What is the common factors here? We have 1 and 2. 1 is a common and 2 is common. So the greatest common factor is, yes, 2. The greatest common factor is 2. GCF here is 2. Okay, let's see how to calculate the least common multiple. Okay, multiples of 8. Skip counting by 8, 0, 2, 0, 8, 16, 24, and so on till 56. Okay. Multiples of 6, 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. So the common multiple, 0, and 24, and 48, and so on. Okay, but the least common multiple, don't tell me that is 0. Okay, 0, skip it. We will start after 0. The least common multiple is, yes, 24. We calculate GCF and LCM by factorization to the prime factor. So let's factorize 8. 8, we will factorize it to 2 times 4. Okay, with which is the prime number 2. So circle the prime number. Here, 4, we can factorize again. So it will be 2 times 2. Okay, both of them prime numbers, so we are going to circle the prime numbers. So 8 equal 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, let's factorize 6. 6 means 2 times 3, and both of them are prime numbers. Okay, can we factorize again? No, so it will be 6 equal 2 times 3. But when we write time 3, we must make it in order. And if we have 2, we must put it under 2. If we don't have another 2, نبعد شوية and put time 3. Okay? Okay? And you will see why. Okay? Then take this dash. Okay? Put the same numbers together. Put the same numbers together. Put the same numbers together. Okay? Will be, so GCF take the common only. GCF take the common only. So 2 are common. 2 and 2 common. So we will take one of them. So it will be 2. But the LCM take all the numbers, common and not common. So from this, it will take 2, and this 2, and this 2, and this 3. So LCM equal 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equal 24. Okay, thank you.